G'day, this is Michael from Coin Collecting and Detecting. Today I'm going to go through Australian 1 cent coins. I'll show you what I look for and how I go about it. So these are the 1 cent coins that I'm going to go through. I've got 9 full bags of the coins and 3 smaller bags. It's going to take quite a while to get through them. And as you might be able to see, there's the odd 2 cent coin mixed up in the batch there too. So, all right, so when I'm going through these 1 cent coins, I separate them 4 different ways. So one of the categories that I separate them into are really nice quality, coppery looking examples here. So I put them into the years. So I've got 2 cent coins and 1 cent coins in this little case here. And they're just really good examples of coins from those particular years. I also make them into coin sets that I've got some myself, but also put on eBay for people to purchase. So a coin from each year, and I use good quality coins to place into my sets there. And then from there, if I've got a fair few from each year on my chart here, then I'll start just putting them back into another pile for selling in bulk. So fairly good quality coins to sell in bulk. And I also have another pile for green and dirty coins that have got a bit of green on them, a fair bit of dirt and stuff like that. So I put them into a separate pile, and I'll bulk those up too, and I'll sell those in bulk, green and dirty, on eBay as well. All right. Here's an example of the sets that I make up. So 24 coins here, circulating sets, so from 1966 through to 1990. In 1986, coins weren't produced, 1 cent coins weren't produced for circulation. So the 24 coins here, and yeah, there's the back there. Because the 1 cent coins are so small, it's quite hard to see the dates. The main thing I'm looking for initially is the date, and then also the condition of the coin. So this coin does have a bit of green on it here, a 1971 1 cent coin, so I'll put that probably into the green pile there. So 1983 here, 1975, I believe. Oops. So you can see quite green there, so definitely in the dirty pile, that one. This one's a little bit dirty too. 67, so that's a fairly early year. Put that into my make sets sheet. 1967 too. Sometimes it's just a little bit of surface dust and dirt. I can just wet it with a damp cloth a little bit just to rub that off, so that might come off nicely. With the 1968, which are the low mintage year, even in poor condition, I'll still probably put those aside because they're still quite valuable in just about any condition, that low mintage year. A little bit damaged, that one. So try to keep a bit of an eye out for error coins, so errors that stand out. So because you're looking at them fairly consistently, a fair few coins to go through, you do notice the subtle differences, but you don't catch them all. So I'll just film a little bit more of look at these coins, and then I'll show you the results a bit later on. Fairly nice condition 1980 coin there. 1989 in very nice condition also. Put that on my collections sheet. Okay, so I finished going through those 1 cent coins, and this is what I've ended up with. So I'll go through it here. I've got 4 bags of clean 1 cent coins that are excess of what I need for my sets and so on. I've got 4 bags of coins that have got green and dirty marks on them. Over here I came across 6 New Zealand 1 cent coins, a number of USA or American 1 cent coins, 2 Papua New Guinea 1T coins, 2 1 cent euros, 1 Canadian 1 cent piece, and it's a half new penny from the UK. I came across a number of really fresh, coppery looking 1 cent coins here. Also a number of toned 1 cent coins, and I really like that gold toned 1 cent coin. That's probably my find of the bunch of everything. So that really gold one there, it's really nice. I like that. And here are the coins I've put aside to make sets. It's got a few different piles there. I do sort of pile up different ones, so ones that are the darker toned coins, and then the lighter coppery toned coins. And probably about 30 odd of this 1968 low mintage coin, which is really good. So really happy with that. All right, so I'll put these coins here into sets, and then I'll show you the result of that in a moment. Okay, so here are the sets that I've been able to make up from the 1 cent coins. So I've got 9 full sets here and another 3 full sets over there. Run out of space. So some with the really coppery looking coins, the fresh new looking coins, all the way through to sets where they're all the dark toned, consistent sort of looking sets of the 1 cent coins. What I found was that 1968 is the low mintage year, so I've still got a fair few of those, but I ran really short on other years, so 70, 71, 72, 76, 84, 85. So yeah, I'm going to need to try and find some more of those to make up more sets. If you've got any questions about the 1 cent coins, please leave a comment in the comment section. And also, if you can, subscribe and like the video, that'd be much appreciated. Okay, thanks for watching.